we are blessed and lucky. Can you imagine the fisherman's two generations that has relied on the fisheries to get salaries and food on the tables, and we are just having fun, and we go back to our daily lives.
No, it was fun. We've attended the World Championship, so that alone was...
It's an experience. So we worked mainly in this area.
So have you enjoyed your stay? Have you fishing?
Yes, yesterday as well.
Did you get anything?
We caught some fish, yeah. But he's
yeah, but then I reckon that you have spoken about the hull.
yeah. That was what's missing.
Get home working.
How are you going to prepare them?
The cocktail. I will dry them, and then I will turn them in wheat flour and salt and pepper, and I will fry them with the oil in a frying pan. Then I'm gonna eat all of them. This gray is so big that even though we catch a lot of cod in the west coast where I come from, the cod is not as big as this gray. So it's only the tongues of this gray, which is caught here at Lofoten, that it can be used for eating the tongues. This is actually one of my wife's favorite dishes. So when this gray season starts, she starts searching for them. We sometimes find them in some stores in the south of Norway, but not enough, if you ask my wife. So of course I have not only these ones we are here, but I have bought some that I have hidden, and I will surprise my wife with when I come back home.
You need salt and pepper.
Yeah.
How many can you eat?
Until you're full. Then 2 more. In Norway we have a saying that the stomach gets full before the eyes.
Roger, from far it looks like you're making some chicken wings.
Some cod had a really big head compared to the body, especially at the end of the season. And he has not been eating for a couple of months. So the body at the end is much smaller than the head, but yeah, you need to have at least the big head.
It's completely different texture I expected.
Yeah.
Much softer.
It's one muscle. It's not. I made it pieces.
오징어하고 낙지랑 전혀 비교가 안 되고 오히려 도가니 같아요. 도가니.
The first time that you eat cod tongue with chopsticks, right?
Yeah, I think so. It's a rare big possibility.
For sure, it's better now.
Yeah, it's not as good as my wife's, but it's good.
Very soft.
Yeah.
It's much softer than I
Yeah.
thought.
Yeah.
So there's nothing much to chew on it.
No.
나 이거 한 번도 이런 거 먹어본 적이 없어. 한 번도.
되게 오래 끓인 도가니랑 비슷해져.
그 식감, 근데 식감이 다르잖아. 완전 이렇게 녹고, 근데 약간 씹는 맛도 약간 있는데, 와 이건 말로 표현할 수 없어 진짜. 이거는 직접 노르웨이 오시고 드셔보셔야 돼요. 와, 나 진짜 이거 난 설명할 수 없어 이거.
추운데 라면 먹으면 진짜 제일 맛있는 것 같아.
우리 여행 갔던 중에서는 난 여기 제일 마음에 들어.
그래? 그럼 사냥을 못하니까 좀 그렇긴 하지만 그래도 낚시도 되게 재밌었어. 하늘 너무 친절해. 되게 여유 있고 장사하면 너무 빨리 가. 여기는 되게 차분하게 여유 있게 잘 하는 것 같아. 그런 거. 근데 이런 자연 속에서 그럴 수밖에 없는 것 같아. 우리 매일 잘 먹었잖아. 진짜 매일 잘 먹었는데 끝에는 한국 음식이 땡겨, 그죠?
좋아요, 구독하세요. Yeah?